So welcome to another round number three today. So let's just get into it. I'm trying to push this number down in each of the rounds and don't care about the rest at the moment. So let's get into it. Start the timer. Let's go. Oh, come on. You're not going to sleep today. We're not. I'm going straight.
The Discord sounds like I can't hear you very well. It's like
Oh, hey, you joined. I didn't even heard that you joined. It's nice to have you here. Welcome to the Discord chat. You cannot hear well? Oh, that's shit, man.
Not the free real estate meme.
I'm sorry, what?
Have you heard the free real estate meme?
Yeah.
Okay, so like I don't know, me hanging in your Discord while you're streaming, or you hanging in my Discord while I'm streaming is free real estate. As in, it's basically free content for while you're streaming, you know?
Oh, all right.
Because it's entertaining to talk to someone while you're streaming, so it's win-win.
Yeah, it is. I take it. It's free real estate.
So yeah, it's free real estate.
So I'm currently doing the third round of my exercise. I have some crowd cheering me up. Well, I had. It said 5 viewers, like, and now it's 1. So I have a crowd of 1. But he's determined to stay here with me, and after I say that, he will leave, I'm sure.
I don't think that actually I am that viewer would help.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, welcome to my channel. Oh, and the stream page says too. I don't know. It's kind of finicky. Sometimes it showed me like there's just 1 person viewing me, but 3 people were chatting with me in the chat. So it's finicky. Iffy. How are you doing, Freeman?
I have finished watching the video about splits. I kind of set up the layout and the things I want to do. So I have like kind of like a speed run, but you know, like like the four lists is basically start with Clash of Clans warm-up, then do a Clash of Clans tournament with viewers, then do Warzone.com with viewers, which is a risk game, and do Alien Isolation by myself, set phase.
Oh, nice. That's awesome. I love it. I actually love it. That's cool. That's some content. I'm intrigued already. You know, like how it will go.
Then follow, like, and subscribe.
Oh, right now.
Do it now.
Freeman 42X. Do it now or be ashamed forever.
Like there's a streamer which I really like, but like each time I join his stream, like he's really funny, like, and not just with me, like he has the same with about everyone he knows. But when I go there, it's like, free man for doing how we doing, man. What's up? How are you? How was your stream? How was your day? Free man, yeah. I don't know. It's like it's a bit excessive, but it's funny.
He's
like,
really happy to see you, huh?
As I said, not just me, but like everyone that he knows kind of well enough.
And I'm over with my typing session. All right. So let's stop the timer and go do the Java. So what we are doing, the primitive types. All right. So we have that. Then the integer would be 2 to the power of 31 is my guess. Would be the maximum value. Teacher, I promised myself that I will eat after I will complete this round, but my hands are already shaking from all of the tea I have drinking. I might overdid it. So we'll see how that goes. Are you there? You're gone.
Yep, still here.
All right.
I'm like multitasking.
Oh, you are. You're such an effective. Like anyone who views should really consider subscribing to you, I think. So the integer, we can have a look at the min value. And how do they say it? They also, oh, and don't forget to use your, how is it, like Amazon Prime. It's free for you, you know, but it will.
I thought
it will change the
I
life.
thought you're gonna say. I thought you're gonna say that like I'm gonna try to advertise to the people to get the cock enhancer.
The what?
The extension, the cock enhancer, the user extension, the chef code extension.
Cock enhancer. Oh yeah, sure.
That's the name. It's hilarious.
Yeah, because it's Clash of Code, right? COC.
Yeah, COC. Yeah,
do you want to play cock? Oh yes, I want to play cock. What do you mean? You cannot say that on a stream. What do you mean? COC, cock.
Yeah, like it's just you and your dirty mind.
Yeah. So long, ladies and gentlemen, in Java is 64-bit value, which means we will get the value ranging from 2 to the power of 63 and the negative. Oh my god. I really want this round to end. I'm really hungry, but I promised, and I will not eat until I finish this round, because that will be like motivation, you know, like reward for my endeavor. I already regret that. I should do min value, but whatever. Sound, blank, main value, and now I will do the trickety trick. I will shift the lines. Here we go. Maybe I should stop drinking the tea if my hands are shaking already. Okay, I'll put it aside for a moment. What do you drink, human? Water. It's healthy for you. Then the float. Oh, I don't know what the minimum and maximum for values for float are. So we'll just find out.
Speaking of like being in other streamers' Discord, like I joined the Discord of a friend, and like it was like him there, who's a male, and there were like 2-3 other girls, and I was like, what the fuck is this? Is this a harem or something? And they were like literally simping on.
Oh really? That's cool. I don't have
This
simps.
is earlier I had like 6 people, 6 followers, 6 of my followers live, and now it's only you. So that's like why it's important to have more followers, because like if you end your stream and you don't have like followers, it's harder to know who to raid. And right now I could only raid you, you know, if I like, you know, if you weren't online, I had no one to raid.
Yes, of course, you can write me. You can. Oh fuck, that sounds kinky.
Well,
But yeah, you're welcome to write me at any time.
yeah.
But dude, once like the day, Rayleigh Mundane or something like that. She's a streamer. She did raid me, and I didn't notice.
Oh,
I did not notice. I don't know if
I'm going to tell you something. I'm
I
going
don't
to
know
tell
if
you
the
something that you didn't know.
yeah, I mean like maybe the
So
notification didn't went off or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but
so
I just didn't know.
now that you mentioned it, so Really Mundane is like a streamer which you like. I really enjoy watching her because she's really fun and interacts with the viewers, and like she's a fun person, and I like her and stuff like this.
Yeah.
So like the reason she raided you is because I told her to raid you.
Oh really?
I suggested to her. And now that you mentioned it,
Oh wow. Well, thank
yeah,
you.
she was sending the stream, and she was like, "Who to raid?" And I was like, "Oh, I know. Let's raid Professional Great Beginner because he's like, doing stuff.
Oh wow.
He's a nice person."
Thank you so much. I did exactly the same thing for you once, and I don't know who it was. Oh, I know. It was Daruchi
Who was
Osatu.
it?
I was watching him.
Who?
Daruchi Osatu, I think his name is. He has a stream where he teaches his girlfriend SQL.
Ah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, I think he's told me that. Yeah, yeah, I probably follow him. I think I typically follow the people that rate me. I mean, as long as whatever they stream interests me.
Yeah, I like his stream, like the teaching, like it kind of works, you know, like you have this interaction, the human interaction with someone else. I think that works, and now it works too. You know, I'm talking to you, and suddenly like 6 people are viewing me, which is the main goal, right? It's not teaching me anything. It's like, look at
Did
me,
you change your
hello.
goal? Did you become a viewer maximizer?
Viewer
Are you
maximum.
going to do everything like enslave humanity just to get as many viewers as possible? You're gonna force everyone to view you?
Oh yes. Like imagine all the suffering, you know, and the slaves in Africa, like the sweatshops, everyone like working just for me, to watch me, you know, like more people in the chat. Yes. Oh, that sounds insane, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sounds very dystopic. I love it.
Oh,
Have you seen Black Mirror
you love it.
episodes? Yeah, have you seen
Okay.
Black Mirror?
So here comes the hard part. I will demonstrate the difference between the comparison of the reference type and the primitive type.
Whoa, hold on.
Oh wow, yeah. I will have an
What are you
integer.
doing?
Oh, I'm doing
You're
magic.
actually focusing.
Well, kind of,
Which
sort
means I
of.
can't distract you.
Oh, who knows? And b equals. Ah, that's all right. That's all right. We can manage. We can manage. And then I will have a integer. Integer a equals 1, 2, 3, and integer b, which will be equal also 1, 2, 3, and here will be the magic. Int a compared to int b. Those have the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, right? So if I run it, I get true. They are the same, right? What happens if I compare integer a and integer b? Huh? I do so and integer a equals to integer b. Fuck me sideways. It's equal. What? Fail. Okay. It's probably there's auto unboxing, I think, behind the scenes in Java, because it shouldn't be the same. All right, it's good to know. But the reference type. Okay, so I have to now demonstrate the difference between reference type. I will create my own type, right? So this will be this class of my type, and that will have some value. So it will be integer value, and I will create a constructor for it, including this field. And now, if I create those of two objects, I will do some delimiter. And I will try to compare two instances with the same value. It will be different. I'll show you. I'll create new my type with a value of 1, 2, 3. Extract it to variable my type, and basically do the same thing, but this will be my type 1. Yep. And then I will try to compare them with my type equal to my type 1. And this is false. False it is, because what I said at the beginning of this round, yeah, I will not repeat that. Okay, so what do we have next? Primitive, byte, short, integer, long, float, double, boolean, char. We did that. Reference data types. Okay, using constructors of the classes, we did. Class objects and various type array variables come under reference type. Okay, so the array I can show, and that will be, I can create new array of integer, int array, and we will initialize it to, what's your problem? The array initializer is not allowed here. What? 1, 2, 3. Why is not expected this? Oh, crap. My mistake, sorry. Here we go. This, if I create another one and try to compare them, they will be also different. So I will, oh no.
I believe I'll be back later.
Sorry, what?
I will be back later. See ya.
Okay, see ya. Thank you for visiting me. And anyone in the chat, you can join me right now in the live chat on the Discord channel. You can find it in the description. Int array. I don't know what we will be. Oh, I will regret so much this inviting people in it. I'm almost sure. Here we go, false. So that's about it. Java literals. Oh yeah, literals. That's the value basically. This is literal. This is literal. This is literal. This is literal. There's a literal for string, for example. Are those things, new lines, blah blah blah. Okay, so we consider this finished and go forward. We variable types. Didn't we do that again right now? Okay, whatever. So we go here and we did this thing. Now we will do some housekeeping. So the previous run I will move here. Yes, factor. And we will create another one package for this run. So create Java class types, and he will demonstrating the types of variables. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Do undo. I wanted to create a public static void main XX. Oh fuck. Well, I already explained it in the previous section, right? What they say. Okay, so they define it between local variables. Okay, local variables instance and class static variables. Okay, so we have a class in here. I want to define it anywhere else. So the static is accessible from everywhere, and it belongs to the class, to the blueprint of the object, right? So you would define it as a normal variable. So I will have an integer number, right? And we can even assign here. Well, the way you do it, the class or static variable is you put a static keyword in front of it. That's it, really. And then we can even assign it a value. What this means is this will be shared across all of the instances of that, and you can also access it via the class reference. What do I mean by that? So I will create a new instance of this, new variable types, right? VT, and I can print out the value, which will be VT dot oh, it doesn't work. Why not? Because it's not public, I think. Insert public, maybe. Insert. Does it fucking work? Okay, so it's not accessible. That's weird. Okay, so it's not accessible. Why? I thought it is. Maybe it isn't. Okay, so but if I do. Okay, so it can be accessible in the method. So if I do public void print number, takes no parameters and will print out printing and the number. I have a typo in here. Here we go. And we will print out the number in here. So now it works. Okay, so from the instance of it, because this right here is the instance method, right? So if we go here, we can call it print number, and it complains again. Why? Cannot resolve method print. Oh yeah, because it's void. Yeah. So I will do delete till the end of the line. And this. Okay, cool. And now if I run it, if I run the correct file, I will get the right result. Okay, cool. Now we can access this variable via the class reference, right? Hey, Orkson, you cannot access the number via VT number, but you have to use the name of the class if you want to access it from another class. Yeah, so I can do variable types dot number like that, right? So I will print it out. Variable types dot number, and now I run it, and we get that number. Okay, so that is to the static or class variable. Then we have an instance variable. So that is the one which will be public integer another number. Notice that I cannot set the value in here. I can. Okay, notice that I can set a value in here. I'm okay. I'm warming up. Yesterday I had a free day without streaming or learning or something. I just was looking at another stream and sleeping, really, because I did not sleep much the past week. And today I started to stream again and learning. So thank you for asking. How are you doing? So, and then I can have. So first of all, I can have a public void print another, and that we will print out another. I'll just print another class, and notice that here I can also reference this as another number, but I can also use this dot another number. This is reference to the object, to the instance in which I am currently. How come I can use it or not use it? How come I have this choice? How can I have this option? Well, either way, this works, and this is also accessible via that's because you can have local variable with the same name. Oh, okay. So I do public int number equals 456, and doesn't like it. It's already defined in the scope. inside of function. I see. So not this, but we will have public void print local variable, and I will have a integer number equal to this number, and then I can print out local is, and here I say, if I say just number, number, it still refers to this guy over here, doesn't it? VT print local variable. Local is still that. And there's that will be the same. Ah, oh. Okay, so this is interesting, but we are over the time limit, which concludes our session, and I can eat. Kept my promise. Okay, so this is the end of this round. Stop the timer.